some information for you about the plans which you will provide us for the later stages. For us to be able to give you a quotation, not quotation, to process your design, we will need a floor plans with all the dimensions. You can see the dimensions for the windows, where the sills are, doors, walls. So that's the most important thing for us, from you, to give us the plans with the full dimensions. That's the floor plan. And the other thing would be the elevation cut. You need the full elevation cut. So try to put there also the elevations for the doors, if you can, all the floors. So as much information as possible is always better. But the base is the floor plan with the dimensions and the elevation cuts with the dimensions.
Sorry.
Yes?
I just wanted to know, do you supply your own doors and windows that come with the whole?
Yeah, we can. That's one of the things what we do. We can either supply all doors, windows, or you can combine it with the local suppliers. As I said in the beginning, it's always like you need to consider your project. If you know that you would like to, how to say, that you don't want to use any air conditioning, for instance, and heating in your house, then you know that you need to have some sort of level of insulation, then you need at least the double glazed windows, doors. So then you would probably approach us and say, okay, this house is supposed to be like high level insulated, we need your windows. If you know that the structure it's going to be low budget, even for this type of construction, then you can use the local single glazed windows. Or there's a producers for double glazed already in South Africa, so it doesn't have to be from us.
So it is compatible with other manufacturers?
It is. That's very important information. It's a very good question. We don't say that you need to get everything for us. Not at all. Actually, at the end of the day, like 80% of the quotations what I prepare, the projects, it's always combination local project, local materials. Or materials.
Okay.
But we do provide these information as well.
So you can use your own form of insulation if you want to.
Yes.
From the core structure outwards, you can buy ISO board, put that on as your external finish and render it. Okay? But what you've got to remember when you're selecting your insulation on this is it has to be a breathable form of insulation. If it's an airtight, if it's a watertight insulation, then you won't get the transpiration of the moisture through the wall, and then you won't get that drying out performance that is so critical. So you've got to be careful about the materials you select, especially in your wall construction, whatever finishes you're using, that you do allow the transpiration through the wall. Your paints, all of those things, they have to be paints that allow transpiration. So your specification of finishes is critical.
So, and then it's a question I think for both of you. It's got to do with like the structural systems and basically different materials. Essentially, like you can see in this house, there's a base construction which is masonry or whatever, and then on top there's clearly the CLT construction. Now, what's the high possibility that you will be combining different structural systems? For example, the CLT structural system with maybe a more traditional construction system. How does it perform? Is it possible? Is it not advised?
Well,
yeah.
Okay. The first thing, there's always combination between the classical construction and CLT. There is no such a thing as just CLT construction. Okay. For any type of construction, you have always concrete foundation or different type of foundation. You're using the different type of timber construction or timber frame for your foundation. So it's always combination. But you have to meet some certain, let's say, rules, or you have to know what you are doing. You have to know how to design it. Maybe Richard can say something about it.
Yeah, I mean, you could be casting a slab, or if you could be putting in base plinths and like stud columns, and then creating a platform. The school, so they built a crèche in the township here, and
not in this township, but in Series, close to Muizenberg.
Okay, and that building is built on plinth, on block plinth foundations, and then the CLT floor units went in and the walls went up. They did that one in 60 mil, and the 60 mil construction is interesting because it's a solid piece. So the 60 mil, you're not chasing in your routing, your services. It's a solid piece. It gets delivered to site, and then they're drilling through the services, cutting the holes, and and applying the pipe work with the insulation layer. The 80 mil is a sandwich system. But yes, there's a point where the CLT starts, but it can just be like gum holes out the ground and then a connection to your
That is
CLT
how-
system.
It's actually one of the advantages of the system, also Richard mentioned that, it's the support which is behind it. This is the catalog of the construction details is available online, and you can actually find there all the kinds of connections between the brick and mortar, concrete. So all these details are actually already sorted and available to you for free. So it's like, this is like 50% of all the details, and it has already 100 pages. So you can find all the details, how to connect it, what you have to meet to actually get all the features and abilities. Back to your plans. If you don't have all the elevations for your doors and windows, it's also not a big issue for us. Then you would provide the list of the windows and just mark it so we can mark. We know which window is which, so that's also fine.
Guys, what's nice about this is an exercise that the building you design will get costed for you. Okay, and it's like you've got to treat this as a learning exercise. If you win or lose,
There's a whole free stuff coming in already.
there's a
Oh, that's it.
Ah!
So if you have any